All right, hey guys, Bryce here with Trailer Source. I am here at our Hurricane, Utah location, and I am going to talk real quickly about, by far and away, our best selling equipment tilt trailer that we offer. It's the Diamond C HDT model. So come on over, we're gonna talk about my 3 favorite features on this HDT tilt. First, recently Diamond C came out with a standard feature that is just awesome. It's the 12K Simul 2-speed jack on the front. Makes it really easy to raise and lower this heavy-duty HDT tilt. Another one of my favorite features on this HDT tilt model is the integrated tongue box on this thing. Man, this is awesome. Just a little latch right there. This whole front box area comes up. You can fit your chains, your straps, your binders, anything will fit right in here. Keep it out of the elements. You can lock it away. Really, really nice feature on this. Another really cool feature on this HDT model is this step latch. So this comes right out here. Pull right up on that. You come on around here. Tilts right down. Just like that. So once that's down, obviously, you can load your equipment right up on here. As soon as the equipment comes up on, it's gonna lower right back down. Really, really slick feature. As soon as you got that down, whoop, got that step latch. There you go, just like that, guys. 3 really cool features on this HDT tilt. This one comes in the beautiful white powder coat. I really like this color, really pops. We have these in stock at all 6 of our locations, so come check us out.